How to fix the error 0 into 55522 on Windows 10. The application was unable to start correctly. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can fix that error on Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to fix that error on your Windows 10, you just need to follow the steps. After opening up your desktop or your laptop, you just need to search for Windows turn on or off on your Windows search bar. After that, simply open it up. After opening it up, wait for it to load and you'll be able to see this here. So you're just gonna scroll or you will just find this option called legacy components very easily. Just click on the plus icon and check mark on directly. After that, click on OK. And wait for the installation or everything to be completed, and that's how you basically fix your error. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.